All right, welcome to SE Custom Designs. We are waiting for the pavers to come. I am officially ready. This is part 3. I thought part 3 would be showing you the work being done. But as you can see, they ain't here yet. All right, so let's walk through this. What did I have to do to prepare for my driveway to get done? One of the first things that they ask for is that you go 12 inches in from either side of where the pavement is going to go. That way your plants won't get burnt and or destroyed. So there's a good chance these guys aren't going to survive. This is my neighbor's. She did go ahead and prop those guys up, so at least they're less in the way. I removed the bricks, 2 styles of bricks from my neighbor's house, and then the neighbor came out and pushed all the stones that were spread out over into this pile here. Technically, the driveway is going to go to the corner post-ish of the gate there, and all the ways out front. That's where you enter into my driveway. The line, I'm not really sure from here all the ways to here. I know some of this is a repeat. Thank you for your patience. But what I had to do is also remove these gorgeous rows of Sharons. Look at how beautiful. I love them for a little bit of privacy on the porch. Been waiting years to have privacy on my porch. So I had to remove one here or here. It was here. It was tough. I mean, I think I had to go down a couple of feet in order not to cut the roots, the main root system, and leave as much roots as possible. Last minute, I may have to remove this guy here, and I'll be ready to do so. But for the most part, I think I'm ready in this area. So as we continue going down the driveway, I need to have a discussion with them quickly that the asphalt should go down farther to give me more of a distance between, for example, the bottom sealed part. It's not very wise the way this is. So whoever put this in last didn't think about that. So I want them to go down lower, at least 2 inches with the asphalt. Naturally, my ad hoc concrete, first thing I did 20 years ago was put in this concrete. That's not what I do for a living. Looks kind of like a twisted, bloated snake. Alright, so then of course I had to put that window in. It was totally rotted out. All the windows really are rotted out. And I replaced, on the other side where the wood shop is, I replaced made windows out of thick plexiglass that can open, swing open. Alright, so there we go. I'm being told that it's going to go down, the asphalt will go back to that line there. So what did I have to do? Part 3, I had to tie up my lilacs. I also had to remove the flowers we just put in there. And then there's this stuff here that helps you to repel the mosquitoes, so on and so forth. There's 2 of those. I think they're back far enough. Naturally, all of this, with whatever time I have left, I might want to continue pulling some things up. The rose bushes looks fine. This is the second lilacs, which is all ready to go. They shouldn't be coming farther than this. Alright, so lots of prep there is to, if you have never had your driveway done and you're wondering what that's all about, I welcome you to comment on my video. It's one of the major complaints I get is that I shake my camera. I'm trying not to do that. I'm getting another camera. Samsung A20 should be coming today. It's got 2 cameras in the back. So I'm looking forward to what that's going to do for me. Unfortunately, there's no stabilizer built into the phone. course, the A20 is one of the cheapest buy-ins for the quality you're going to get. So, all right, hopefully next time, next video you see will be part 4 from them arriving, if I can get that part, to the various stages of the process. I've mentioned it already, a little nervous about them going over my sidewalk. I did this work many years ago. It's all up to code, city code, was inspected, so on and so forth. I have concrete, customer grade concrete in there. And upon closer inspection, you can see it's not the prettiest, it's very grainy, but it's going to be stronger than your non-commercial crete. Yeah, I had the truck bring it in, dump it in. I wasn't about to mix barrels and barrels and barrels in barrels. So there you go. Try to be wise when we can. Thanks for watching. Very excited about the next part of the video when they're going to be coming down that road.